everybody, the Tech Piano Player Kid here. And today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the battery on the BrailleNote Touch. Now, this is pretty simple to do. Sorry guys, I'm straightening out my bed here. Here we go. So, I just got the package today. My dad signed off for the package. So, flip the BrailleNote Touch on its back. Well, actually, no, you want to do that. So you're going to open the BrailleNote Touch, and then, you know what, let me turn the lights on. I think they're on. Nope, they weren't. So, I don't know if you can see these things right there. They're like little slidey things on each end. So what you need to do, you want to pull those and then push the touch out, and then the cover will come off. So, make sure we're still recording.
Take picture. Stop recording video.
Okay, yeah, we're good. So now we have the BrailleNote Touch like this. To cover up the serial number. So here's the battery right there. And there's also two switches on each side, the same thing. So we're going to pull those and lift up on the battery. And put that aside. And let me go and get something to cut open this box. So I'm going to put that phone down for just a second. And let me see, where can I cut? Okay, I think I can cut about right there. Don't know why they put wrapping paper in there, but okay. Probably just to make sure everything is good. Okay. And there we go. So I'll go ahead and open this. Oh. Okay. So I'll put that aside. And I'll put this back. And this is what the battery would look like in the packaging, so I'll go and open that. Here it is. And here's the new battery. There, and then it's like that. So there's a little round thing on the top. You want that facing away from you. Well, depending which way you have the BrailleNote Touch, but what I usually have is the little slidey things are facing away from me. So then that little loop round thing is facing that same way. So we put it in there and push down. Slides right into place. Alright, now we've replaced the BrailleNote Touch back in its carrying case. Snaps into place, and it should turn on. Alright, I'm going to throw this away. The reason why you want to replace these things is because the battery can get bad. And also, it was getting to the point where I had to replace it anyway. So, yeah. Now, I really want to get the Plus, the BrailleNote Touch Plus, but the upgrade for me is $12.95. Not $12.95, but $1,295, which is really expensive. Yeah. Not the best thing in the whole world, but, and the couple of things are like, like my BrailleNote Touch takes about 2 minutes almost to load from turning it on from the first time, when turning it on. The Plus takes about 30 seconds. And also, you have some other features like the hardware system is upgraded. You can do other stuff which this one can't. Basically, I'll just say this, it's not my parents don't want to buy it at all. It's not that at all. It's just, it's expensive. And it also depends how long you have the BrailleNote Touch. So if you've had it since 2018, it's like, I think the upgrade's like in the hundreds. And then 2018 is like 1,000 and something. And then, no, I think it's something like that, and I can't remember. And then 2018, I think it's like 2018 or before, you have to pay the full price of $1,295. I don't know why that's supposed to be that much. I wouldn't pay that much. I would pay at least $500. But, that's humanware for you. So guys, that's really basically how you replace the battery on the BrailleNote Touch. Pretty simple. If you guys have any questions, comments, please put them down below. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications. The Tech Piano Player Kid is out.
Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Follow my Twitter, which is linked to my channel.